Hi everyone and welcome. Let's take a look at adding some basic fractions. Let's look at this first example. First one here, we've got 2/5 plus 1/5. So to add fractions, the rule is the two denominators must be the same. Here the denominators are both 5, so we can add these two fractions. The answer is, it has the same denominator, but we add the two tops, we add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and that's our answer. Let's try another one over here. 5 over 11 minus 2 over 11. This time we are subtracting. Do we have the same denominator? In other words, do we have a common denominator? Yes, we do. The denominators are both 11. So the denominator of the answer is 11. On the top, 5 minus 2, we subtract the numerators and we get 3. So the answer, 3 over 11. Let's take a look at another one down here. 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9. Okay, we have a common denominator. No problem. It's going to be over 9. And the top, 2 plus 4, we add the tops, we get 6 over 9. Okay, the answer, 6 over 9. Hey, wait, we can simplify that fraction. Oh, we can too. Always try and simplify your answers if you can. 6 and 9, yes, 3 divides into both of those. So 3 divides into 6 2 times. 3 divides into 9 3 times. Final answer, 2/3. And let's take a look at the fourth one. 13 over 20 minus 9 over 20. We have our common denominator, which is good. The answer is going to be over 20. Let's subtract the numerators. 13 minus 9 is 4. Can we simplify that? Yes we can. 4 over 20. 4 and 20 are both divisible by 4, aren't they? So 4 divides into 4 once. 4 divides into 20 5 times. So final answer for this one, 1 over 5 or 1/5. It's now time for you to get some practice. Please try example 2. Can you do these fraction addition and subtractions? Could any of the answers be simplified more? If so, which ones? Put your answers in the comments and thanks for watching.